When you purchase a VivoFit Junior 2, you automatically get access to its corresponding adventure map. But the fun doesn't stop there. By purchasing a new band for VivoFit Junior or VivoFit Junior 2, you get a code that gives your kid access to a whole new world of app adventures and games. Choose a Disney Minnie Mouse band and experience Mickey's birthday surprise, a Disney adventure. Mickey's birthday is coming up. Minnie Mouse needs the help of all her friends to plan a huge surprise party. There's a lot to do, and every day that your child meets their 60-minute activity goal, they get to progress in the party preparations to make sure everything turns out just right. Minnie Mouse needs to make and send invitations for the Big Bash. Good thing Goofy and Clarabelle are willing to help. Every good party needs music. It's Donald's job to put together the perfect musical ensemble and get them ready to perform. Who's going to give Pluto a bath? And who's going to stop Pete from sabotaging everyone else's hard work? Most importantly, someone's got to keep Mickey Mouse busy so he doesn't find out and ruin the surprise. Want to know how the story ends? These app adventures are exclusive to Garmin, so you'll have to get your hands on a VivoFit Junior device with one of these bands. But the story is just the beginning. For every day kids meet their 60-minute activity goal, they'll be rewarded with colorful gems that let them level up faster. Meeting double or even triple their activity goal will reward the child with more gems. In other words, the more they do, the more they get. Tap to collect them and see your total at the top of the screen, along with current mission progress. In addition to collecting gems, meeting their daily activity goals lets kids access a fun tap challenge game. After they earn a move and read the story card for the day, they'll have an opportunity to play. Tap Play Now to proceed, or Play Later to return to the map screen. Kids can return to the unplayed game anytime they want, until the current mission is complete. During the game, kids have 1 minute to earn as many points as possible. And if they've exceeded their activity goal, they'll get time boosts, which can lead to more points. Tap on the stars and characters to add to your child's point total. But watch out for Pete. Beat him using a series of swipe and tap combos. At the end of the game, your child will be able to see a scoreboard with their points for the round and recent high scores. After the game, kids can choose to play again immediately. For every 60 minutes of daily activity, they'll get 3 attempts. And by exceeding that goal, they'll get even more attempts and more opportunities to play. It's a great reward for staying active and will inspire kids to get a little more activity every day.